Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change a door spring on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, you will need to pull the dishwasher partially out of your cabinets. So first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the power. Locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse. And once we've done that, we'll release the two mounting tabs that are at the top of the dishwasher that secure to the bottom of your countertop. And then we'll be able to pull that dishwasher out about 6 inches. So it's not necessary to disconnect your water supply or your drain typically, but you will need to be able to pull that dishwasher at least that far. And then we can do the repair. Now with the dishwasher pulled out of the cabinets far enough that we can access where the spring hooks onto the base of the dishwasher, we can do our repair. We'll start by disconnecting the old spring if it's still intact and just stretched. Take note of the hole in that base frame where it is located. And then release it. And just tilt it up enough that we can pull it out through that opening on the door hinge. We'll take our new spring, slide it into place, make sure it's hooked firmly onto the hinge. Stretch that spring out and hook it back onto the base frame. If your springs were just stretched or weak, you'll want to replace both the left and the right hand side. If it's just a broken spring, at least be sure to check the opposite side to make sure that it's not stretched and giving an uneven pull on the door. And once we have that spring reattached, we can then push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. Now with the dishwasher pushed back into place, we're ready to reconnect it to the bottom of our countertop. Once we've done that, we can reconnect the power and your repair is complete.